Bully. Meaning, a person who hurts or frightens someone weaker. Synonyms: tormentor, intimidator, oppressor. Example: the teacher punished the bully for troubling other students. Discernment. Meaning, the ability to judge well and understand things clearly. Synonyms: insight, wisdom, perception. Example: she showed great discernment in choosing the right candidate. Blot. Meaning, a dark spot or stain, usually from ink or liquid. Synonyms: stain, mark, spot. Example: there was a large ink blot on the paper. Smudge. Meaning, a dirty mark made by rubbing something. Synonyms: smear, stain, blot. Example: there was a smudge of dirt on his shirt. Unpretentious. Meaning, simple and not trying to impress others. Synonyms: modest, humble, simple. Example: he is an unpretentious person despite his success. Dunce. Meaning, a person who is slow at learning or considered stupid. Synonyms: fool, idiot, simpleton. Example: the boy felt like a dunce when he could not answer the question. Pithy. Meaning, short but full of meaning. Synonyms: concise, brief, meaningful. Example: the speaker gave a pithy explanation of the topic. Epigram. Meaning, a short, clever, and memorable saying. Synonyms: proverb, saying, maxim. Example: his speech was full of witty epigrams. Whip. Meaning, a long, thin piece of leather used to hit animals or people, also means to beat quickly. Synonyms: lash, strap, scourge. Example: the rider used a whip to control the horse.